The government of India is supporting to cruise tourism. This is the first time they are coming. So this is a customary that whenever new ship comes, we exchange the planes. So we are trying to do provide a lot of facility of these cruise people. So something is extra required that we are promising them we will do next season. Because this has come late at later stage. Last week one meeting was there. By Minister of Shipping representative come. They pointed out something we have to do, that we are doing it for the immigration people.
Sir, anything that you were saying just now about the rates for the berth have come down and it's become a uniform rate, has it helped?
Yeah, definitely it's not helped the port, it helped the people who are coming here. Because the government of India said it for attract tourism, we should have a rationalized rate. So all over India we are charging one rate, so there will not be a hassle. So we are losing little, but in future when cruise increases, we'll cover up.
Honored to be in Goa, especially since Goa is very known in our countries and in Europe. You know, it's famous for the beach, for the good sea and just the good weather. And as we know, we were already here with the Mein Schiff 3 and we experienced the great hospitality we have here. And we are very welcome and we are very happy to be here. And next year, I believe another ship will come here, so we keep coming to Goa. And I'm, as a captain, I'm also happy with the port facility. It's a nice pier, good fenders, good pilotage. So we keep coming to your good port here in Goa.